Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about D-Layer, which is a newly listed cryptocurrency on CoinGecko. So we are going to analyze the light paper. But before we quickly jump to the light paper, let's go through basic information like the fully diluted market cap is nearly $14 million. That is not the information regarding the current market cap is not available, and these are their other social media handles. If you want to go on any of their handles, then you can go. This is their website. So it is actually nothing here. So we are quickly going to jump into the light paper and analyze what the project is all about. So D-Layer EVM compatible subnet on BitTensor. BitTensor is a network designed to decentralize the operation of AI models, offering a, sub, a substrate for various specialized subnets. These subnets functioning within the BitTensor ecosystem leverage its decentralized nature to further expand functionalities. This light paper introduces D-Layer, a subnet specifically engineered to support EVM Ethereum virtual machine compatible code, enabling users to execute Ethereum like transactions and smart contracts within the BitTensor network. So basically, it allows, as they have said here, that it allows the users to create Ethereum like transaction and smart contracts, but on the BitTensor network. Background: the EVMs, Ethereum virtual machines, stands as the cornerstone of Ethereum's functionality, enabling the execution of smart contracts and operation of decentralized application DApps across a globally distributed network. EVM compatibility signifies a system's ability to understand and execute Ethereum based code, thereby creating a standardized environment that encourages the development and deployment of interoperable blockchain applications. This standardization has catalyzed a wave of applications based on smart contracts. Expanding on this, the significance of EVM compatibility extends beyond mere interoperability. It represents a bridge between varied blockchain networks, allowing them to leverage Ethereum's established infrastructure and its developer community. By integrating EVM compatibility, networks can integrate an extensive array of existing tools, DApps, and community resources. This integration is crucial for emerging networks seeking to establish a foothold in the competitive blockchain landscape, and as it enables them to offer a familiar environment to developers and users accustomed to Ethereum's ecosystem. Basically, when you create apps which are which can utilize the EVM, then the developers and the new projects can get some infrastructure through which they can create some good start with their concepts or projects. That's why it is very essential to sometimes create something which is very EVM compatible. Consequently, an EVM compatible subnet within BitTensor is not just a technical enhancement, it's a strategic expansion that aligns with the broader range of services. So, when you create something which is EVM compatible within the BitTensor network, then you can create even more stuff with the help of the combination of BitTensor network and the EVM. Ethereum virtual machines. Use cases: the D-layer subnet on BitTensor broadens the network's utility by enabling a diverse range of blockchain applications and services that are foundational to the decentralized ecosystem. This integration allows for the deployment of various core functionalities which are the established standard in the modern day decentralized network. Within this subnet, users can engage with decentralized exchanges, facilitating peer to peer trading without the need for central intermediaries, thereby enhancing liquidity and trading efficiency. So, again, the concept is really good of the D-layer network, but in the world of cryptocurrency, decentralization is always required. So if the community is not involved, if there is no solid community handling this project, making decisions for this project, then there are always going to be issues, problems with any cryptocurrency project. So you will have to analyze how strong the community of this project is. If the community is handling the project, then it is good. If the community is not going to handle the project, then it will turn out to be a huge blunder for people who are going to participate in this project. So community is the make or break thing for any cryptocurrency project. So just make sure that you are not making a blunder and taking part into any cryptocurrency project that is not driven by the solid community. If you are an investor and only and you are taking part in this project, but there are not other token holders, maybe 5,000 or 1,000 or 2,000 token holders who are genuinely interested in making this project grow, and they are actually taking major decisions regarding the projects, and they also have solid control over other important features of the project, then you will be making a blunder. So I just don't want anyone to make a blunder and be part of and becoming a part of a project that is technically centralized and handled by a handful of people. So yes, these are very technically challenging things, but the more technically challenged project you are creating, higher the need of strong community, powerful token holders who can make the project more decentralized. Otherwise, as I said earlier, that it will turn out to be a huge blunder. DLayer also supports the creation of cross-chain bridges, enabling seamless asset transfers and operability between BitTensor and other blockchain networks. Furthermore, it can host a variety of DeFi protocols, offering decentralized services such as lending, borrowing, yield farming, all within a secure, permissionless environment. Again, so let's assume that you want to lend a USDT from, let's say, Matic blockchain, and you want to borrow it. You want to put something to you are borrowing, let's assume that something which is on the Phantom or Solana blockchain, then that interoperability can work in that case. So that's the reason why this kind of projects are existing, and they are trying to create products which can help people do cross chain stuff. So yeah, but again, it has to be handled by the community, as I mentioned earlier, because if the community is not going to be a part of this project, then uh, uh, it is going to be a blunder. That's all I can say. I do not have any other word to explain that. The more sorry, the more the community is involved with this project, the token holders are involved with this project in handling, and the more control the token holders have over this project, higher the odds higher the odds that the project will survive and grow in the longer term. The technical architecture of the EVM compatible subnet within BitTensor is designed to uphold the principles of decentralization. The technical overview. The technical architecture of EM compatible subnet within BitTensor is designed to upload the principles of decentralization, security, and efficiency, emphasizing a sophisticated integration of EVM functionalities with BitTensor's distinctive network features. Consensus mechanism. The subnet employs a specialized consensus protocol that harmonizes with BitTensor's overreaching consensus framework. It adopts the Nakamoto style consensus, inherently resistant to Sybil attacks, tailored to accommodate EVM transactions. So again, their entire mechanism is designed in by accompanying the EVM stuff. So that's what their ultimate goal is, and that's how they want to create value. This adoption ensures that the integrity and chronological order of transactions are maintained, while also aligning with the energy efficient and scalable nature of BitTension's network. The consensus mechanism is optimized to handle EVM specific operations, ensuring compatibility and seamless execution of smart contracts and Ethereum based transaction. Integration with miners and validators. I'm not going to go through this because it is going to take a lot of time, and you can also go through this because I don't think so that it is that important as it should be. Reward mechanism. Participants in the subnet can earn rewards through various mechanisms designed to incentivize the maintenance and security of the network. Miners receive rewards for successfully proposing and adding new blocks to the blockchain, which includes transaction fees and a network specific block reward. Furthermore, the miners' rewards are dependent on their rank assigned by the validators, with the lowest ranked miners being removed from block production. Validators are rewarded for their role in overseeing and endorsing the validity of blocks, ensuring that only legitimate transactions are confirmed and appended to the blockchain roadmap. The development team is currently in the alpha phase of the subnet, focusing on core functionalities and security features. The roadmap includes further integration with BitTensor's AI model and a comprehensive testnet launch to create a fully functional EVM compatible environment. At later stages, the project will deploy a decentralized exchange, allowing Tao to be traded fully trustlessly and introduce enhanced developer tools, a block explorer, and deployment toolkit. So these are the future plans, including block explorer and decentralized exchange and all that stuff. D-layer is an EVM compatible subnet of conclusion. D-layer is an EVM compatible subnet of the BitTensor network. Its purpose is to elevate developer interest into BitTensor network by creating a layer familiar to a significant number of blockchain developers. It aims to accelerate the growth of the entire BitTensor ecosystem. So pretty unique concept in terms of that. I mean, the approach is pretty unique. I cannot say the concept is unique or not, but the approach is pretty unique. They want to grow the BitTensor ecosystem by making EVM compatible stuff. So I have this I mean, there are many cryptocurrency projects like this out there, creating layer 1 layer 2 stuff and also creating subnets and all that stuff. But overall everything regarding this project is going to be dependent on the community in the longer term. As keep saying, with every cryptocurrency project, everything will depend on the communities. So the more the token holders are interested in this project, more they have control over this project, more decentralized the project is, more value it will create. Because the larger investors, they only look for the decentralized nature of the project. They want to know how many token holders have control over this project, how many token holders are taking part in the decision making of this project. So that's the key area, how much stronger the community this project is going to create in the longer term. That's what big investors are going to look when they're going to analyze this light paper. So yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. Luckily, this is not a pretty long video. Generally, videos, because this white light paper is pretty short, so the video is under 15 minutes, I guess. But still, if you really like this video, then you can hit the like button. If you want to ask me any question regarding this project or any cryptocurrency project, you can join me in my Telegram group, and please do consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.